Hello everyone. We want to do a quick little blog video for everybody just to show you in live living color what the difference between a website that doesn't have responsive web design kind of built into it, so it looks really good whether you're on your screen at work or you're on your iPad or your smartphone. We want to show you what a website with the responsive web design looks like and one without. So what we did is we actually used our own Rockstar Technology page to show you our site before and after responsive web design was added to it. So just an example, if this was our site and say I was going to try to make it smaller like you would if you were on a smartphone or tablet where it gets squeezed, we're all used to seeing things like this where it has scroll bars up and down, and then as you get smaller it cuts it off, and it also creates a scroll bar at the bottom, and it starts kind of messing stuff up and things don't really get moved around. It's just getting squished until it's done. Now, as an example to that and what responsive web design is, it's so much easier now for us to be able to add some technology to the back end of your website, so when you do see your website, I'm going to click right here and go to this exact same looking site. It's just a responsive version of it. Now let's see what that experience like with that technology built in. We're still scrolling down, we're still squeezing stuff, but what you'll see is the screen, instead of cutting things off and making a scroll bar, it will start moving images, text, formatting the thing so you can still navigate, still see all the buttons, still see the content. As you get smaller and smaller, see, you don't want your images to get squeezed, so it automatically will take the image out when it gets to a screen size that isn't going to look very good anyways. So move that out of the way so you can still see and browse your screen as you'd like to. Now you can tell that once we get to a certain, much smaller than this, the navigation is going to be too small, it's not going to fit in the screen, something dramatic is going to have to happen, and that's when you keep scrolling down and you'll see, boom. That's when the responsive web design converts your navigation bar automatically into a nav bar like this, that you can see it nice and big, easy to click on with your fingers on a smartphone or a mobile device, whatever it is. And as we're all used to on a smartphone, you're going to be scrolling down. That's part of the nature of browsing things on a smartphone. So now you'll be able to see all this main content of our website, logos, all the main navigation buttons, portfolios, what we do, more about us, our blog, our contact area, all the main things that we want somebody to see when they visit our website is easy to navigate, easy to see, and easy to roll through as you're going through the site. That, in a nutshell, is what responsive design should be on your website. You don't need a new website. You don't need a separate mobile website. We can now help you add responsive design to the back end of your existing website. So give us a call. We're happy to help you, talk about it, get you a real easy quote. It takes us usually less than a week or two to get that done for you. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.